Moving ahead with the topic of angles. You see here a figure is made. We have to identify the number of angles formed. So if you will see here, angles are made when corners are formed. Now angles are made using the corners. What are the corners here? B, A, R, P, Q, D, C. All these are known as your angles. How you know? Angle B, angle A, angle R, like that. Okay. Now the two rays forming angles are called arms. We know this. Like if you see, one line is coming from here. Okay. Another line is coming from here. First of all, what we read here, that angles are made when corners are formed. So here can you see a corner is formed? What is the corner here? This is your corner, right? So we can call this as angle, and if I name it like A, B and C, then the name of the angle here will be angle ABC. Is it? And it is written here, na, two rays are formed, are called arms. Means what now? This particular ray, okay, and this particular ray together is known as arms. Okay, this is your first arm of the angle, this is your second arm of the angle. Clear? So angle is formed by what? Angles are formed with the arms. Okay, and then the common end point is called vertex. We know this, the end point where first ray and the second ray meet, that particular point is known as vertex. Okay, now so what three things we discussed? First of all, angles are formed when there are corners. Now when there are corners, then angles are formed. Secondly, it is formed with the arms. What are the arms of the angle? The two rays. This is your first ray and then the second ray. Not only the two rays, it could have the third ray also. Clear? Like this. And then we cannot join it, or you can just make it like this. Suppose it is going there. Okay, then this is your vertex, and this particular line which I have drawn here, then making the arrow, it forms the arm. Clear? So angles are made using arms. Then the vertex. What is the vertex? Common end point of the angle. This is the common end point. This is also the common end point. Then again here the common end point. These are known as vertex. Clear? So angle we discussed. Now important point, if you will see in your textbook in this chapter, you see, note that in a specifying angle, the vertex is always written as the middle letter. You know what does this mean? That suppose if I draw an angle like this, you see, I have made an angle, and here I am writing A, B and then C. Okay, and then if I marked it like this, now what is the name of this angle? We can say the name of this angle is ABC and angle like this. Okay, so why have I written B in middle? You know, because every time the vertex where it is, whatever is the name of the vertex, that letter will always be in middle. Keep in mind, always the vertex, whatever name we have given to that vertex, that particular point or alphabet will be written in the middle. Clear? If suppose I'll just write B here and C I have written to this vertex, then what is the name of the angle? Angle's name will be angle ACB. Why ACB? Because vertex's name is C. Clear? So this highlighted point, that in a specifying angle, vertex is always written as the middle point. Suppose if you see this example, here we have angles, right? What are the angles here? We can say angle APB. Can I say that? Also I can say BPC, right? Also APC. Everywhere if you will see that, I have told, means I have said that P in middle only. APC, APB, right? Then a P, BPC. Everywhere I have said P in middle. Why P in middle? Because P is the vertex here. Keep in mind, in the given angle, whenever the vertex, whatever name of the vertex is, that particular alphabet we will always note down in middle. Clear? If you see here also, this example I gave you with ABC, you can see here POQ or QOP. Every time we can say POQ or QOP, like this. You see, angle POQ or angle QOP. This. Why? Because O is the vertex, common meeting point, na? And always the vertex is written in the middle, like this. We cannot say OPQ. Never vertex can be said in starting one. Vertex always be in middle. Clear? Same here also, CBA or ABC, and with the symbol of angle. What is the symbol of angle? Like this we show the angle always. Clear? So here we have discussed about angle. After this we will move forward to exercise 4.C. Right after this clip I'll explain all the given questions here.